right, working example number 3, multiply a polynomial by a monomial algebraically. So the expressions 4x and 5x minus 3 show the dimensions of a rectangular gym. So we've got a length of 5x minus 3 and a width of 4x. Find the polynomial expression for the area of the floor. Write the expression in simplified form. So find the area of a rectangle we know is length times width. So we're going to be multiplying these two polynomials together. And in this instance, we're going to use the distributive property. And that's used to simplify algebraic expressions. So we multiply each term in the polynomial by the monomial. So we use the a times b plus a times c. We've seen this before. It's just a little bit more complicated when we're dealing with coefficients and variables. So we're going to use the distributive property to multiply each term in the binomial, that's the two-term polynomial, 5x minus 3, by the monomial 4x. So yes, binomials are two-term polynomials. So for instance, 6y squared plus 3 has two terms, so that's binomial, as is 2x minus 5. So using the distributive property, we can take the 4x and multiply it by the 5x. And then we can take the 4x and multiply it by the negative 3. As shown here, 4x times 5x, negative 4x times 3. Now, group your coefficients together, and then your variables together, and then we can write this down. 4 times 5 is 20. X times x is x squared. This minus is going to carry right down through. And we've got 4 times 3 is 12. And then x just stays x in the last term there. So that means that the area of the gym is in fact 20x squared minus 12x. So next up is a show you know. Please go ahead and practice your distributive property.